The number one cash flow mistake, killing your agency profits. Let's fix this fast. If your agency is profitable, but you still feel broke, you're probably making this one cash flow mistake, and it's quietly draining your business every single month. I'm Craig Cody, I'm a CPA, and I work exclusively with marketing and PR agency owners doing between 1 million and 10 million a year in agency gross income. Today, I'm going to show you the number one cash flow mistake I see, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly so you can keep more cash, reduce stress, and actually scale your agency. Confusing profit with cash. Here's the problem. You're looking at your P&L and it says you're profitable, but your bank account tells you a completely different story. Why does this happen? Because profit is an accounting number and cash flow is really a reality. Agencies especially run into this when you invoice late, clients pay you slow, or revenue is recognized before cash hits the bank. So on paper you look great, but in real life you're tight every month. So the fix: start managing your business on cash flow first, not just profit. That means weekly cash flow tracking, 13-week cash flow forecasts, knowing exactly what's coming in and when. If you don't know your cash position 30 to 60 days out, you're flying blind. Next is your billing structure. Your billing model is killing your cash flow. I see this all the time with agencies. You're doing the work now, but get paid later. Examples of this are net 30 or net 45 terms, billing after the deliverables, scope creep with no rebilling. So what happens? You're essentially financing your clients, and as you scale, that gap gets bigger and more dangerous. The fix: you need to tighten your billing structure immediately. Move to upfront retainers where possible, bill at the start of the month, not at the end, require deposits for project work, shorten payment terms aggressively. Your goal is simply get paid before or as the work is happening, not after. Next is overhiring ahead of revenue. Here's another big one. You hire based on expected growth, not actual cash. You land a few new clients, you feel momentum, and suddenly you're adding headcount. But then a client pauses, a contract gets delayed, or utilization drops. Now payroll becomes your biggest stress point. Why this happens? Agency owners think in terms of revenue, but ignore capacity and utilization. The fix is tie hiring decisions to real utilization metrics, not gut feeling. Ask, is my team consistently above 75 to 80% utilization? Do I have at least 2 to 3 months of cash buffer? Are these clients locked in or fragile? If the answer is no, don't hire yet. Cash flow discipline beats growth hype every time. The no cash reserve strategy. Last mistake, and this one separates stable agencies from stressed ones. You don't have a defined cash reserve strategy, so every month feels reactive. One slow paying client, one unexpected expense, and you're screaming. The fix is build a minimum 2 to 3 month operating reserve. That means payroll, overhead, fixed costs, covered without relying on incoming revenue. This gives you negotiating power, hiring confidence, and way less stress. Strong agencies don't just make money, they hold on to it. Quick question for you. What's your biggest cash flow challenge right now? Is it slow paying clients, pricing, or just not knowing your numbers? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. So the key takeaways, let's recap. The number one cash flow mistake isn't just one thing, it's a pattern of financial systems. Fix these 4 areas. Stop relying on profit. Track your cash weekly. Tighten your billing and get paid faster. Hire based on utilization, not optimism. Build a real cash reserve. Do this and everything changes. More stability, better decisions, and way less financial pressure. If you want help fixing your agency's cash flow, click the link, subscribe to the channel. If you're serious about scaling profitably, book a consultation call. All right, before you go, if you're an agency owner and you want to keep more of what you make, I've got 2 things for you. First, grab a copy of my book, The 12 Biggest Tax Mistakes That Cost Agency Owners Thousands. It breaks down the exact mistakes I see every day and how to avoid them. Second, if you want to see what this looks like for your business, get a free tax analysis. We'll take a look at what you're doing now and show you where you might be overpaying. And if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future strategies on tax planning, cash flow, and building a more profitable agency. I'll see you in the next video. All right, before you go, if you're an agency owner and you want to keep more of what you make, I've got 2 things for you. First, grab a copy of my book, The 12 Biggest Tax Mistakes That Cost Agency Owners Thousands. It breaks down the exact mistakes I see every day and how to avoid them. Second, if you want to see what this looks like for your business, get a free tax analysis. We'll take a look at what you're doing now and show you where you might be overpaying. And if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future strategies on tax planning, cash flow, and building a more profitable agency. I'll see you in the next video.